What's up, YouTube? It's your girl. I'm back. Yeah, your girl's with another one. I got some fries, onion rings, corn on the cob, and homemade chicken wings. Look at that. Cajun chicken wings. So, yeah, though. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? It's your girl. Yeah, I'm back in this thing. About to do another mukbang for y'all. So today I decided that I wanted to have fried chicken, fries, onion rings, and corn today. So I hope you guys really enjoy. But anyways, I want to give a shout out to all my subbies. Hello. I missed you guys. Yeah, but I'm having condiments. It's going to be ketchup and buttermilk ranch. And I'm going to have a little butter. So how was y'all day today? I had like a long day today. We had the babies. They're in the living room right now. Getting ready to go to bed. Did a little shopping today. We did a lot today. So we're going to move this to the side and put some right here. Look at these big old onion rings. I actually got these from Joe V's. If you have never heard of Joe V's, it's out here in Houston, Texas. You should try it. It's out here on West Bedford and Airport. On Farnham. Look at those onion rings. You can see the nice onions in it. I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm back, guys. Yeah, I had to go get the babies their bottles. I know I should have gave it to them before I even started, but they was like sleep, so we had a long day. My two guard kids are here. Went to Burger King earlier. Still got my cup. I got nice little bit of soda in there. But back to this meal. I got my corn. Yeah, I know I didn't take it out the package. I'm not going to put it back in the refrigerator. Actually, all of us are eating corn, so. But today I have reached 20 subscribers. And I am so proud of myself. Come on, so we can get to that. I'm going to say 100 subscribers. And then when I get to 100 subscribers, the first person suggests something for me to eat. It could be anything. Not just anything, but anything is eatable. I will eat it. I don't understand you like me. Want to fry? This onion ring. But I made this chicken. Homemade. Put some ranch. Look at that. Cooked and everything inside. This chicken is so flavorful. Even though don't even need no condiments to go with it, but that was delicious. I'm off tomorrow. Yeah. I put that corn up. I'm off tomorrow. I'm gonna chill. Not doing anything. Man, if I ain't talking too much, it's because I am so hungry. I can eat a horse right now. I'm telling you. We have been gone all day long. We haven't ate nothing. Nobody. So the only thing I did was had a drink, and that was at Burger King. Only because that's where we were shopping at. Look at all this ketchup. Hit the corn. That's why these are some big old onion rings, man. Yeah.
And y'all still up? Lay your butt down.
They was crawling out the bed. You got the air mattress in the living room for them, the little babies.
Ain't nothing in no bottle.
They drunk it all.
Shut up. What you got to say? You got a problem? Oh. She thought she got a problem.
How you doing? You
Wow.
on? Yeah.
I ain't on live, but yeah. I had to make up my brain for this chicken.
That shit look good.
It is good.
I don't want to eat them onions.
They got whole onion rings and those.
That's what I said. Your onion rings are big.
It ain't like Burger King. Lay it down.
That was baby. My most favorite vegetable is corn, to be honest. Like, I can eat corn all day. I can walk around with corn, eat corn,
Lay down.
bathe. No, I ain't gonna bathe with no corn. But yeah, I want to try to go live, but I don't know how. I updated my YouTube. And I'm so sorry, guys. I really don't know how to video edit. This is just something natural. Coming straight from my kitchen. Straight from me, you know. No up breaks and eye breaks. Hey, I'm trying. I'm so hungry. When you be eating so fast, you get full. I'm a little bit full, but some ketchup. Dump it in the ketchup. Ketchup makes everything taste good. Like everything. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell. If you want to comment, leave a comment down below. And let your girl know what you think about the video. Suggest anything that you want your girl to do. But until then, love you, Team Kimmy.